Good afternoon, and thank you for joining me for another episode of Wealthy Joe Weekender. I am your host, Eric Milton, the author of A Stock Market is for Everyone, available on Amazon, and the founder of Wealthy Joe Investing. So, today I want to talk to you about a topic that is very important if you want to become a successful investor, and that is you have to have the ability to endure big losses over long periods of time. All right, that just goes with the territory. It's very easy to look at stocks like Amazon and Netflix and Apple and how they've performed over the last 25 or 30 years and say, man, if I had caught it at the IPO price, if I had bought $1,000 worth today, it would be worth $300,000 or even a million. And it's easy to look at things in hindsight, but the reality is holding any of those investments has not been easy over the past 20 or 30 years. Let me give you some numbers. So for example, Apple, since it went public, it's up 25,000% or a little more than that. All right. However, it has had two times throughout its life as a public company when it has lost 82% of its value. All right. Amazon, up over 40,000% since it went public. It has been a phenomenal investment. It has had two times throughout that period where it has been cut in half, all right, down 50% on two occasions. Now think, we're looking at things in hindsight, but remember the reality of enduring a 50% drop twice. You have to be willing and able to endure that. Netflix, up over 31,000%. Monster stock over the past 15 years. However, it too has been cut in half on two different occasions. So you need to know that although investing can be incredibly wealth building, it is not easy in terms of dealing with losses, and losses are part of the game. All right, so remember, when your account is down 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, that is not the time to bail. That is part of the drill. You're not going to make 30,000% and over the course of time, and the stock just moves in one direction up. No. That's way too easy, and investing doesn't work like that. So just keep in mind in times like this, when we have these market sell-offs, all right, that's part of the course. Okay, so thank you again for joining me for another episode of Wealthy Joe Weekender, and I'll see you again next week.